y'all. So we're about to hit the backyard. It's been snowing all day. It started snowing last night pretty late, and it's just been going and going and going. So we're about to hit the backyard, a little nighttime plow. It was kind of an early, we weren't expecting the snow that came. His phone still says it's not snowing.
Yeah, it still says it's not snowing.
Yeah, so we're going to hit the backyard trail now. And as promised, we have a special guest with us on this particular trip around the backyard, this little plow, a Saturday night plow. Here we go. Everybody say hi to Sally. Sally says hi. Yes, this is Sally Skellibass. You might know her as the namesake on our page. She has a lot of fun adventures with us. She's even met some mermaids. You should go check out those videos. Yeah, met some mermaids. She even has the gift to talk to animals now. It's really crazy in our house. You may have seen some of the videos where you meet Sally. The Thanksgiving video had the entire Skellibass family in it. And it's very noisy in the house sometimes with her talking to all the animals. Yeah. And we'll get some more videos of that up soon. I'll show you some more of the videos. Get that plowing going. So, did you put the wood in the back? Yes. I think you got a little over ambitious on that one.
No, it's getting a little set up. It's getting harder to plow with being set up. Just take our time. We'll get her.
Yeah. I love being out riding at night. Plowing at night is pretty fun too, but I do love riding at night. It's fun. Less chance of other people. Not that there's really much chance of that anyway. Really, ever.
Definitely got some snow over here.
Yes. And this is, I mean, we had it plowed just a couple days ago. We've only had snow last night. There wasn't really any wind. This is all basically from maybe not even 24 hours. And about 16 hours of snow here, probably.
Yeah. It's not a huge snowfall, but it's a nice one. Wasn't supposed to be at all, actually.
Yeah. What's that? Oh, Sally here just said she wishes she could be out here and plow with us more. And maybe she can. Well, I was going to bring Bones with us today. That's her favorite doggy. But he stayed in the house with Diesel and Bella and Bailey.
Yeah, I'm sure Diesel was traumatized because he didn't get to go plowing again.
Yeah. He was out with Gene for a while they finished up the driveway. You know, I'm thinking maybe by this time next year, with any luck, maybe we can put some, now I can't even think of the word off the top of my head because I've had a blonde moment. I'll get back to you whenever my brain reconnects to that thought, alright? It looks kind of spooky.
I think it's cool.
Oh, I think it looks awesome. It just has a spooky look, like through the trees, with them being all white and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
They look spooky. Although when we went down to California, where I grew up, and he came, we were down there, and he said all the trees down there look like what?
Halloween trees.
Louder.
There.
Scraping from the trees. They scrape.
Not like those trees.
So anyway, what was that?
All the trees down in California, they all look like Halloween trees. They're all scary looking.
Yes, and for all of those of you in the lower 48, the creepy, scary trees he's referring to are oak trees. You know, climbable oak trees. There's nothing climbable up here unless you got spokes on your shoes. There's nothing climbable up here. I grew up climbing trees all the time. Loved it. Only fell out of a few of them.
Yeah.
Oh, so here's a funny story about a tree. This is something some people know, but I haven't told, you know, the masses. So let's tell the masses. So, it's getting a little thick here. Anyway, okay, so the story. When I was in kindergarten, I went outside, and apparently I thought that the tree, the oak tree, needed to be cleaned because it was dirty. You know, the oak trees, they get dirty. And so I went out there and I got on our picnic table with a feather duster and an ice cream cone. I had a feather duster in one hand and ice cream cone in the other, and I'm standing on the picnic bench, which is on the grass, the lawn. So not the most stable place for a child to be standing on top of. And, well, it all fell, and I broke my arm in, like, 3 places. I had a cast from, like, my first knuckles to my shoulder for weeks, and that is why I can do a lot of shit left-handed. Yeah, because I was in kindergarten when you learn how to do that, and it was my right hand I broke, or my right arm, so, yeah, that's why I'm slightly ambidextrous, although not on purpose. It was a taught thing.
Those are slightly covered in snow bonfire pile.
Yes, that is the bonfire pile. Right there. That's going to get lit up on New Year's Eve. We're going to add some more to it. We were going to go get some more wood today for it. There's a couple more fallen trees that need to be cleared out. So we were going to go grab those, but the snow just kind of changed everything, and what we wanted to do, the desire kind of went away.
Still get them anyways.
Yeah, we can get them later tonight or tomorrow. We still got a few days. Hell, we could go get it before New Year's Eve. It's not like... We're going to be picking up some fireworks tomorrow while we're up in Fairbanks for our New Year's celebration.
Yep.
So, Sally, did you enjoy the rides? She says yes. She loves going on them. Enjoys camping. Yeah, we've got some camping with her and lots of videos. She usually rides with Dad. See? And she wears a sweater that was given to me by my nieces last year. It says, on weekend, we wear dirt.
Yes, we do.
So thank you, Nikki, which is my sister-in-law, and Isla and Ari for the sweater. She wears it all the time. She loves it. I wear it too, but she keeps stealing it from me, so, you know, I guess I gotta let her keep it. We've made one full trip around. We're probably going to be doing another one here, but I'm going to end this video so I can do another one. So stick around, subscribe so you don't miss part 2 of tonight's little trip, where I will be telling y'all the story of how Sally came to be. Yep, in part 2 of Saturday Night Plowing. So don't forget to like and subscribe.